Want to control your Rogers Xfinity modem's Wi-Fi? There are two main ways, through the Rogers Ignite or Xfinity app and via the modem's admin page. The app offers a quick, user-friendly way to toggle Wi-Fi, ideal for everyday use. Simply log in, navigate to the Network or Devices tab, and toggle the Wi-Fi on or off. For advanced settings and troubleshooting, use the admin page. Access it through a web browser by typing 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.1 in the address bar. Use the default credentials, usually username QSadmin and the password printed on the modem, to log in. From there, find the Wi-Fi settings to toggle the radio on or off. Remember, turning off Wi-Fi improves security and saves energy, but disrupts your connected devices. Choose the method that suits your needs. App convenience is king for most Rogers users, who prefer the mobile app for quick Wi-Fi control. Future developments will involve AI predicting when to turn off Wi-Fi during low-usage hours to save energy. Enhanced security comes from regularly toggling off Wi-Fi to reduce unauthorized network access. Future modems will feature tighter security with GDPR-like privacy controls. Stay updated by keeping your modem firmware current for security patches, energy-saving features, and remote toggling. Be aware of potential latency issues during peak hours with app controls. Rogers is rolling out fixes. Check compatibility, as standalone Xfinity pods may require the Xfinity app exclusively. Consider advanced hardware like Rogers firmware v10.1. By 2030, AI may handle most Wi-Fi toggling automatically, saving significant energy globally.